Right now, sentiment around the mobile topic is sitting at -0.07, which is a stark deviation from our historical baseline. This negative sentiment suggests that users are currently less optimistic than usual, making this a critical time to dig deeper. Our API offers a comprehensive view, returning detailed sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and semantic clusters around any topic. With this data, you can identify potential pain points or emerging trends in user sentiment, giving you a competitive edge. Imagine you're developing a new mobile app. You could use our API to analyze user feedback and adjust your features in real time, aligning closely with user expectations. For more insights and integration details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.